Identifying common computer ports. Start by looking at the different types of ports on the back of your computer. First, we have serial port. Older computers have one or two serial ports. This port is used to connect devices such as modems and control systems to your computer. Universal Serial Bus. USB is a more modern method of communicating using serial communication methodologies. Firewire. Firewire is an Apple trademark for the IEEE 1394 standard. The 1394 standard implements a version of serial communications across a wiring network that is similar to USB. Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt uses the industry standard Mini DisplayPort or MDP connector, but runs proprietary signals over the connection. Keyboard and mouse. Because you will certainly want to enter data into your computer, the keyboard connector on the back of your computer plays an important role. The two traditional types of keyboard connectors are PS2 or Mini DIN6 and DIN5. Connector types. The following sections look at the most common types of connectors that you will encounter. DB9. The DB9 connector is a D-shell type connector, so named because of its D shape. The DB9 has 9 connection points arranged in 2 rows. DB15. DB15, also known as HDDB15 or HD15, has the familiar shape of the D-shell connector but contains a higher density. DB25. This connector is found on your computer in its male form in the role of a serial port and its female form as a parallel port. RJ11. RJ, short for register jack. The RJ11 connector is a standard modular connector used for telephones. RJ45. The RJ45 connector, the larger cousin of the RJ11 connector. And now, you can easily identify the common computer ports and connectors. Thank you for watching.